children in Jaipur studying from their textbooks. In normal times, it would be seen as part of the daily routine. Only now the textbooks are a source of political debate. Critics of the Bhairon Singh Shekhawat government in Rajasthan say that the BJP is changing the very face of the curriculum by slipping in their saffron agenda.
A story filed by a Rajasthan correspondent in 1997, almost 20 years ago, when the state had got new school textbooks with new content. Its politics encapsulated in just one letter. The Hindi alphabet K in kindergarten textbooks used to be for Kawa or crow. It was changed to K for Kamal or lotus. 20 years later, the same politics, another set of new textbooks for Rajasthan.
Even the image of lotus is the same, which is the symbol of a particular party. Ditto same, not even the picture of a common lotus.
It's said quite perceptibly that those who control the present rewrite the past, and we know that well in India. Take the state of Rajasthan. It's had long politics of reworking its past. But never before has one political party ruled the state with as much of a majority as it does today. The BJP has more than 2/3 majority in the state. And as a new session of school starts in India Matters, we examine the impact of that on school textbooks, on the education curriculum, and on the debates of history and heritage that arise from it. A government school in a Jaipur suburb opened 10 days before schedule to meet the requirements of Yoga Day. Classes are yet to begin, but when they do, students will work with a new set of textbooks, hurriedly created and published by the BJP government. In 2013, when the BJP came to power in Rajasthan with an unprecedented majority, the state had just begun publishing new textbooks, following the directives of the 2005 National Curriculum Framework or NCF, an NCERT set of guidelines for teaching practices and making textbooks, which amongst other things called for child-centric education, an end to rote memorization, and for content to reflect diverse identities of the country. In 2014, just as these textbooks reached the classrooms, the newly elected BJP started its own program to create a fresh set of textbooks, which they achieved in less than a year, with a complete revamp of all the content in all subjects from grades 1 to 12. In less than 2 years, students in Rajasthan had to change from one set of textbooks to a newer one.
There are new textbooks which have been brought out just now, but when they were brought out before that, there was no curriculum framework which was circulated. And, all was a hush-hush kind of program to develop these textbooks and suddenly throw them into the market or send them to the schools. And once we got these textbooks, we analyzed them.
Radical saffron makeover. These new textbooks dated 2016 have already been in the news over the issue of the near disappearance of Nehru and in the way they pit Mughal Emperor Akbar against the hero of Mewar, Maharana Rana Pratap. This, though, is a fraction of just how alarmingly politicized pedagogy has become, say a varied collective of educationists who are currently working in Jaipur to analyze threadbare the flaws in these textbooks.
1, 2, 3 चित्र हैं, तीनों औरतें हैं जो काम कर रही हैं, लेकिन ये लड़का है जो पानी पीना.
The EVS or environmental science books have deeply flawed, even absurd concepts. Here's one example. The Hindi word for mammals is स्तनधारी or स्तनपाई. Stan literally means breast, which the textbook writers have deemed unsuitable for children. So look at what they've done.
कक्षा 4 की किताब है, ये स्तनपाई जीवों के बारे में बात करती है, लेकिन मैं जितनी आसानी से स्तनपाई कह रहा हूँ, ये पूरा पाठ उस शब्द को गायब कर देता है. उनके लिए शायद इतना असहज है स्तन होना और स्तन नाम शायद कि वो इस बिना शब्द का इस्तेमाल किए वर्गीकरण कर देते हैं. स्तनपाई जीवों की एक कैटेगरी वो बनवाना चाहते हैं, वो जीव जिनके कान बाहर दिखते हैं, है ना, और वो अपवाद ब्रैकेट में बोलते हैं कि अपवाद छोड़कर वो बच्चे देते हैं. इसका मतलब आपको कोई किसी शब्द से कोई ऐसी जबरदस्त दिक्कत है कि उसको आप सहज नहीं रहने देना चाहते. उनको कंक्लूजन ड्रॉ करने देना चाहिए, उनको कैटेगराइजेशन सीखना चाहिए इस उम्र में. वो यहाँ नहीं हो रहा है और सीधे सीधे एक ऋषि आ रहा है. ऋषि की एक कहानी है. ऋषि के सामने बड़ा एक रहस्यमय प्रश्न पूछा कि अच्छा आप बता सकते हैं क्या कि कौन तो बच्चे देते हैं, कौन नहीं देते. और ऋषि भी मुस्कुराते हुए जवाब देते हैं कि हाँ, जो जिनके कान हैं वो अपवाद को छोड़कर सब बच्चे देते हैं.
They have removed 2 chapters reproduction in animals and adolescence.
The chapter on biodiversity of Rajasthan has little on diverse species, instead a long section listing different breeds of the cow.
राजस्थान में गायों की जैव विविधता, तो ये पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट ही गलत हो गया.
Even the camel, an animal that's seen as a symbol of Rajasthan, has become a casualty to the cow.
ऊंट इसमें मुझे अभी तक नहीं दिखाई दिया है इस किताब में, जबकि राजस्थान की बात करें तो मुझे लगता है कि एक ऐसा जानवर है जो राजस्थान की पहचान भी है और जो साफ साफ दिखाई भी देता है काफी.
As the analysis moves towards language and social science textbooks, the politics becomes more intent, reflected in the way religious and gender identities are conceptualized as early as grades 1 to 6.
मैं आपको कक्षा 5 की किताब दिखाती हूँ और उस तरह की चीज़ें आपको पूरी किताबों में दिखाई देगी कि एक खास रिलीजियस आइडेंटिटी बहुत डोमिनेंट दिखाई देती है. क्यों देते हैं नारियल की भेंट, ये है. फिर अनोखी सूझ है जिसमें ब्रह्मा जी के दरबार में देवताओं में और दानवों में कुछ विवाद हो गया है और उसमें कैसे देवता जो हैं वो दानव से श्रेष्ठ हैं. इसके बाद में फिर इसी किताब में थोड़ा सा आगे चलते हैं तो एक पूरा पन्ना कामधेनु पे है और ये कामधेनु के चित्र के अंदर सारे देवी देवताओं के चित्र बनाए हुए हैं. एक और पाठ देख रही थी, भारत की मनस्विनी स्त्रियां. अब ये स्त्रियां कौन है? गौरी पार्वती एक स्त्री है, फिर सावित्री, फिर माता अनुसुईया है, उसके बाद में फिर माता मदालसा है, इसके बाद में फिर गार्गी और मैत्रेयी की बात की गई है, फिर रानी कैकेयी है, फिर सीता है.
पतिव्रता और
बिल्कुल,
सती, उसके
बिल्कुल.
शब्दों का इस्तेमाल कई बार इन पाठ्य.
तो जैसे छठी की कक्षा में चुटकुले हैं, एक चुटकुला सुनाती हूँ. सुरेश साधु से, स्वामी जी मेरी पत्नी बहुत परेशान करती है, कोई उपाय बताइए. साधु कहता है, बेटा उपाय होता तो मैं साधु क्यों बनता. अब ये जो चुटकुले हैं जो स्त्री के प्रति, पति पत्नी के प्रति जिस तरह की मानसिकता से बने गए हैं, जो व्हाट्सएप पे और अदरवाइज कॉमन सर्कल में तो चलते रहते हैं, लेकिन छठी की टेक्स्ट बुक में इस चुटकुले को देख के क्या करना चाहते हैं.
There's more. In the 9th grade textbook, the idea of caste reservation is given entirely in the context of its political misuse and vote bank politics.
आरक्षण की मांग बढ़ती जा रही है और इसने राजनीतिक स्वरूप ग्रहण कर लिया प्रतीत होता है. इट इज गिवन ऑन पेज 75-76. ऐसे ही आप देखेगा जाति प्रथा के धार्मिक आधार समाप्त हो रहे हैं पर सामाजिक संस्था के रूप में जाति मजबूत हो रही. जाति चुनावी राजनीति का आधार बन गई है.
Passages like these are drawing sharp, wide-ranging criticism. There's already been strong protests against how an entire section on the RTI has been reduced to a minor mention.
The earlier textbook in both places talked about the importance of the RTI. It talked about Rajasthan's role in the RTI. And it talked about many other laws, including the domestic violence law, for instance, which has also disappeared. But it talked about, most importantly, that citizens can also oppose unjust laws. Earlier chapter was understanding law. It's now just law and the judiciary.
Ironically, where the new textbooks delete the RTI story, the people of Biawar in Bhilwara district have constructed this monument to mark 20 years of the Right to Information movement. This is the town where it all started in April 1996, and its people want to know why this important history has been undermined. The Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan that spearheads the movement says if needed they will challenge this in court.
Textbooks are not something that some politician is going to decide. We have just had a long 22-day dharna where we raised this particular issue. Just 2 days ago again, the Secretary Education said that our letters and our petitions have gone to a review committee. But if that review committee does not act to really look at all the questions of the textbooks, then certainly we will have no choice but to go to court, and of course there is legal redress.
In last book of
Another public interest litigation is being prepared by Rajiv Gupta and the collective we met earlier against both the way these textbooks were formulated without any public discussion as well as its content, which becomes most obviously politically partisan when it comes to the history textbooks.
They are continuously writing Sindhu Saraswati Sabhyata.
So the Indus Valley civilization is now called the Sindhu Saraswati Sabhyata. Akbar is no longer great, Maharana Pratap is. The freedom movement is sketchy, with Nehru mostly absent from the history of India, and most pointedly, facts like this are left out.
Right from class 1 to class 12th, books which have come up, there is no mentioning of this fact that Gandhi was murdered by Nathuram Godse, and Nathuram Godse was one of the part of extreme rightist Hindu forces. It has not been mentioned. Community development program at Nagaur. It was inaugurated by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, but the name of Nehru is not mentioned with that community development program. You are selecting something which finally go in your interest. Nehru is out, Gandhi is not murdered. My direct question to this government is, what kind of history you want to propagate amongst these students?
This may not be a new question. Charges against rewriting history and textbooks are old in Rajasthan. In 2002, the Congress also came under fire by the state BJP when the Chief Minister at the time, Ashok Gehlot, put his name and a slogan coined by him on all textbooks for classes 1 to 10. But this time the politics is distinctly different. The sheer political power vested in the BJP allows it to work its ideology in an overarching manner never seen before, at times in the most personal way.
In last book of class 8th, there was a question. What is the contribution of refugee in the development of India? Now, Sindhi refugee in the development of India.
Vasudev Devnani comes from a prominent Sindhi family. Devnani refused to give us an interview on the new textbooks, but here are some of his sound bites from the past.
शिक्षा के अंदर पहले के कुछ लेखकों ने अपने राजनीतिक आकाओं को खुश रखने के लिए पाठ्यक्रम बनाया, जो कि पाठ्यक्रम वास्तव में मेरे को श्रेष्ठ नागरिक और श्रेष्ठ देशभक्त तैयार करना। अब महात्मा गांधी श्रेष्ठ हैं तो हैं, सुभाष चंद्र बोस श्रेष्ठ हैं तो हैं, वीर सावरकर हैं तो हैं। इसके साथ किसी को भी के साथ एक के साथ तो जुड़ाव, एक के साथ दुराव, ये नहीं चलना चाहिए, जिसका हमने प्रयत्न किया।
महाराणा प्रताप पढ़ाएंगे, और महाराणा प्रताप ने चूंकि अकबर के साथ संघर्ष किया, तो ये दोनों महान हो नहीं सकते। महान तो महाराणा प्रताप है। हाँ, अकबर जो राजा के रूप में इतिहास में आएगा, उसका उतना स्थान निश्चित रूप से पाठ्यक्रम में मिलेगा।